Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Tiano, and I'm back with another wig review. Happy New Year, my love. I hope you had a lovely festive season, and I hope that you had a lovely Christmas with your family and loved one, friends. And yeah, Happy New Year, Tandwa. Anyway, the wig review that we're doing today is Celie. Celie is not new to my wig reviews. You guys know that they are one of the brands that I have been collaborating with for a long time. So I love their hairs. The packaging is just luxe. It's just luxe. It just screams luxe. This is a glueless wig. It's supposed to be like minimal effort. You don't need to be skilled to install this wig. It is beginner friendly. It's easy for you to put on. It's not like a long installation. It's literally a wear and go. So it's meant for ladies that just want to put on a wig and go and still look good at the same time. Over here is what you would store your wig in, and these are the goodies that they've sent us, and all of us, oh my god, it's too much and they're falling down. I'm one of the people that love wigs that comes with a goodie bag, child, because you know what, we're gonna need those things. You don't want to buy a wig and still go and purchase these things. Celie makes everything super simple for you. So yeah, they gave me this comb peg, I'm not sure if that's what you call it, for holding your wig when you're installing it. Bonnet, sent me this bonnet as well. Brush, lovely brush. So a hairband, I'm going to use this hairband within this fit. So this one, you can wear it however you want to wear it. I've got many of these actually. Full HD wig cap. Lashes, we love some lashes over here. Or bobby pins. The length of the hair, it's 24-inch, and this is the lovely unit, and it also has like sort of like your instruction book of how to use the hair, and also how to wash it. I think that's what this is. So this is a pre-cut lace body wig, and it is a wear and go. It's a glueless wig. It's pre-bleach and it's pre-plucked as well. It is clean melted hair line, and it is 180 density. It is a 5x5 lace closure wig. This is the hair out straight out of this. Like literally, I didn't open it because I wanted you guys to see like how it looks straight out of the box. So this is how it looks. It has already been curled. Imagine coming all the way from China to South Africa and the wig still looks like this. Like, this is beautiful. This is great. I love that about the wig because, child, I don't even need to be curling this wig because they curled it. Can you see this? Can you see how it's bouncing? Child, this is beautiful. This is how the wig looks straight out of the box. I love that they've made the zigzag motion. They did say that they did pre-bleach the wig, but for me, I'm gonna go in with a bit of my makeup because I always say that they pre-bleach to like a certain skin type. That's why I need to go in with a bit of my makeup as well. It does come with this adjustable strap as well. Can y'all see that this is really like a wear and go? I haven't done anything to the wig and it already looks like this. Child, this is beautiful. This is about to be the greatest glueless wig. Okay, this is beautiful. Pre-plucked, pre-everything, and it's done for you. It's just ready to go. I just need to comb out these curls and you guys will see everything. Okay, I always say that I love wigs that are sort of like pre-cut because it's the zigzag motion and it's perfect for you to just like wear it and go. This is a perfect wig, perfect example of it. Can you guys see that? Like, child, this is nice. Go in with a bit of wax stick. It's already flat in front, but I wanted like to be like sleek, and I want to push away the flyaways as well. Going in with a bit of my foundation here. You guys can already see that this wig is giving vibes, y'all. This is a stunning glueless wig. It's a beautiful glueless wig. Like, honestly, I love this wig. I love it. I love it already. Okay, Can you see that? Child, you can't even tell where it starts and where it ends. Okay, stunning. Let's I think I'm gonna put on this so that I can comb the hair, and I'm trying to make it not move from where it's at, so that's why I'm putting on this. Are you ready? Let's comb out this hair and see how it looks. What did I tell you about this wig? Is it not slapping? Look at this. Look, please pay some attention. This is a beautiful, this is a gorgeous unit. Okay, I just want to take pictures now because it's beautiful, gorgeous. Let me just show you that it is a glueless wig, and I did not put on any glue. Can you see that? Can you see that? Beautiful Kestana, gorgeous. I don't even need to go in with makeup over here because, child, this is giving. This is beautiful. This is a gorgeous. If you guys are hearing the background noise, I'm so sorry. There are kids all over the apartment. So yeah. Anyway, this is it. This is beautiful, gorgeous. Can you see, guys? I want to go on a date. I think I want to go on a date. Child, look at this. Can you see? Glueless, guys. I don't want to lift it up again. I really don't want to, because, child, beautiful, gorgeous, stunning. Be sure to get yourself this beautiful unit, because this wig, this is a gorgeous, this is a beautiful wear and go. It's literally under 10 minutes to wear, and like, you leave the house. It's pre-bleached, pre-plucked, pre-everything for you, and it's also curled for you. You guys saw that I did not do any curling on this hair because it did come curled all the way from China to South Africa, and it still looked intact. So this, gorgeous, beautiful child. Okay guys, anyway, thank you so much for tuning in. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to like, comment, and also subscribe. Also, I will leave each and every little single detail with regards to this hair in my description box. I'll also have a discount code over there, so do make sure that you utilize that, because I make these videos for you guys to review beautiful hair and hair that you guys can purchase, and like hair that will last you a long time. This hair, you can even see it through the camera that this is good quality, and it is good quality for your money. Child, why wouldn't you get this? Like, what's the reason? What was the reason you didn't get this for yourself? Get it, okay? See you in my next upload, my love. I will see you. Gorgeous, stunning. Can you see that? I'm so beautiful. I look so good. I look so gorgeous. Silly hair, you guys know. You guys were definitely not silly when you were making this wig, okay? Thank you so much, you guys. I'll see you in my next upload. Bye. I'm in love with this wig. I'm super in love because, child, the curl is curling. Look at this. Look at this. Ah! Let me go a bit backwards so that you guys can see the length and the everything. Can you see it? This is the length from the front, obviously. And this is the length from the back. Beautiful. I love this wig so much. Love it. Oh, stunning unit.